Guys, good morning. Maaga pa tayo mag-cooking for our breakfast. Good morning everyone. Maaga pa tayo cooking our breakfast. Fried rice, garlic fried rice in the morning. Just wake up. And then we cook this one, leftover last night, the rice. Yeah, cooking first before anything, and then we eat. Yes guys, this is our breakfast, not yet finished. I will cook other food, other breakfast. Yeah, my kids are still asleep. Let's go outside guys, let's go outside. Ay, nahulog niya. Angel. Good smell. What is that? The good smell from the air. My dog not yet finished that trim after. Dito muna tayo. Dito muna. After my work here, I will finish my dog trim. Not yet finished though, Janty, come. Morning. Morning, Angel. Ayan, guys. Hindi pa Janty! Come on. Hindi pa na yung guys, yung natin. Good morning. Oh, nice weather here. Nice weather. Finally, sun coming out. See, our weather today is good. The sun is good. Not yet finish your trim, come. Halika. Ayun na ang aking asong isa. There's no leaves, dry leaves outside. Halika. I'll bring Jandy outside. Halika. Not yet finish the trim of my dog. After I will finish it because yesterday is a lobat my trimmer. You see, only the head I start to trim, after the body also. Yeah, come. Ayan guys, good weather today. Ayan. Halika dito. Jandy, halika dali. Not yet finish your trim. Look guys, yesterday my trimmer is already low, but after I finish that trim, come. Nice weather today, guys. And early the sun coming out. That's why I take the shot so that I can come. Chandy, halika. Hoy. I take the some of a good yeah, we walk for a while. I just finished inside cooking the fried rice. Shh, dito lang ha. Shh. Dito. Uy. Halika dali. Anda. Halika na, halika na. Shh, shh. Cindy. Halika na. Yeah, we walk together. We go around. Only one round. Pasok na! We walk together. Come. We already finished. Halika na, halika. Janty! Pasok na, pasok. Halika na. Halika na. Nag-ikot na tayo eh. Halika na. Nag-ikot na tayo. Halika na. Halika na, lali. Pasok na, pasok. Pasok na. Pasok na lang. Halika na. Shh. Pasok na. We already finished one round. Na. Pasok. Pasok. Pasok na. She want more round. Come here na. Come. I'm already. Pasok na. Pasok na. Halika na, halika na. We already finished one round only. I did not take a long video. Come na. Yan guys. Umikot na ako one round. Halika na, pasok na. You're already inside. Yeah, just one round only. Walking. This one is after I take a bath. This one. Angel. It's okay, guys. I'm just finished one round only. Going around. Good weather today. See, the sun is coming out. Pasok na siya rin. Renz! Pasok ka na? Kaninong ngipin masakit sa iyo? Kay mama mo. I see you later, guys. I just finish outside. I'm going inside now. Good morning to everyone. It's good to have exercise. Even here in subdivision, we can go around only one round. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Only updated for my uploading every morning. And this is it, our weather. Today is too hot. Thank you for watching Pinkay TV. Don't forget to subscribe.